My name is Bosco. First of all, I want to thank the Almighty Father, the government of Uganda, the Prison Service Commission, and our super ed teacher, Mr. Gilbert Nwamanya, for the support they have given us. I managed to get 16 points, an A in geography, B in entrepreneurship, and then D in art. I was arrested when I was a businessman. I finished my O-level in 2011, and from then I was not having enough money to join A-level. So when I was arrested in 2021, I was in prison in Gulu prison. From there I requested the OC for further studies, and he granted me the permission to come to upper prison. So I thank him in his absences. So when I came here, I wrote application and I was admitted in Senior 5. That was 2022. I started from Senior 5 in second term, so I've studied only for 1.5 years, and I managed to get the grade of about 16 points.
How long have you spent in prison and on what crime?
So far I've spent like 3 years. I was arrested and accused of aggravated defilement.
Were you convicted?
Yeah, I'm a convict.
How many years are you serving?
I'm serving 10 years, but remaining only 2 years.
How many years have you spent here?
In upper prison?
Here in the prison service?
3 years.
Okay. So how many years are you remaining with?
3. I've spent 3 and remaining with 3 years.
So how did you come up with the idea of going back to school? Some people lose hope.
Yeah. Now when I was convicted, I thought of there are many programs in prison. So we have tailoring, we have carpentry, but I chose to go back to school because I wanted to add on more knowledge, and when I go out, I should be the change agent. That is why I've decided to take geography, because I want to be an environmental activist so that we deal with the climate change after prison here.
Okay, so when you finish school, what do you want to be?
When I finish, here in upper prison, here we have only one course. That is a diploma in entrepreneurship given by Mukomera University. So of course I will do that. Then when I go out, I want to go and take an environmental course at the university so that I be an activist of the environment. That's all.
Why environment?
Because we are seeing that the world is facing a problem of climate change. So I want to go and be part of the team.
What do you want to change as regards to environment?
I want to go out and change the mindset of the people about the environment. We should be happy about the environment. We should keep the environment green. We should plant trees, and we should do whatever it takes so that we may keep our environment.
Have you planted any in prison?
Yeah, not yet, but I'm planning to plant one before I leave.